Hey guys, so you might hear my daughter in the background. We are at home. Ulta has closed its doors due to the coronavirus, so kind of hanging out at home right now. And yeah, it's been an interesting couple of days. So I hope everyone is staying safe and staying healthy and not beating the elderly for their groceries and toilet paper. To lighten things up a little bit, I had some extra time, obviously, so I decided to go ahead and film with this little guy today. It's the Sailor Moon palette with Colourpop. So I like it. I like a lot of stuff. It's kind of easy to please, I guess. But this is what the palette looks like. And these shades down here are a lot more pigmented than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be like super pastel, but they're actually showing up pretty nicely. So this is what I did. It's super pretty. Like, looking with one eye, all I can hear is my daughter in the other room. But I'm also working on some nail art, so I have like one hand done. I have some Swarovski crystals on there. And then this hand is plain still because I need to do it. So, but yeah, they're super, super cute. I like them so far. They're really pretty. But yeah. Anyways, if you want to see how I created this look, then go ahead and keep watching. guys. So this is the little look that I did today. My daughter's gonna continue to scream in the other room until I go out there and play with her. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this short, pretty much like always, and go ahead and end the video here. But thank you for watching. Again, I hope that you just stay safe, stay home. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye. My little nails. Ooh. Ooh.